Unboxing, features and first impression of the Epson Labelworks LW-700. Hi, I'm Milou and this is Milogical. The box contains a USB cable, an AC adapter, a power cord, label editing software and documents such as the manual, the LW-700, and lastly, a tape cartridge. That's it for the unboxing. Now, some features and my first impression. You can choose which type of power supply you would like to use. Plug it into a socket with the AC adapter and connect it to your PC to use it as a desktop model. It works on both Windows and Mac operating systems. You could also unplug it and insert 6 AA batteries to turn the printer into a handy portable label printer with a weight of 900 grams and a comfortable handle. The printer works very intuitively. The thermal tape comes in various colors, styles and finishes, and the tapes range from 6 to 24 mm wide and are available in 9 meter length. Margins can be minimized down to 1 mm, meaning you get more labels per tape. The printer has a list of quick tips on the backside, which basically serves as a handy small manual. Another plus is that this printer has many possibilities when it comes to designing your label. On top of that, it has a print preview graphic display in both desktop and portable mode, which will save you time and money on unnecessary printing. You can also choose to print one label multiple times or multiple different labels in a single print job. A downside, however, is that prior to a print job, the printer cuts off a small piece of tape, and I'm not sure whether that is a setting that can be changed. Another downside is that you cannot hold the printer and type simultaneously. Overall, I really enjoy this machine and I'll be making a complete review about it in a while. Thanks for watching.